Why is my car leaking? Hi, it's Stacey at Wayside Garage in Seaside, California, and I have a vehicle here. It's a 2014 hybrid C-Max that the customer was having an issue with a fluid leak. So we got it in and got it looked at, and we actually found two leaks, but the one I'm going to discuss with you today is the cooling system. We found upon inspection the radiator hoses leaking, especially the lower radiator hose. And when you think of radiator hoses, you mostly think about just a small piece of hose or a short hose. This is actually the lower radiator hose assembly, and it was leaking on this side here. So you can't just replace one piece. It comes with this whole contraption as a complete assembly. And at the same time, due to age and mileage, we went ahead and replaced the upper radiator hose also, which this is the upper, and again, it is an assembly. Hoses are very important to make sure that they are replaced every 60,000 miles or every 5 years in order to make sure that you don't have an issue with the hose either bursting or cracking. Hoses do wear from the inside out, so just a visual inspection sometimes is not enough in order to determine whether or not there's going to be an issue. Basically, going by time and or mileage is a good idea. If you run into a situation where your hose decides to crack or burst, it can cause catastrophic damage to your vehicle, cause the engine to overheat. It can cause a head gasket problem. There's so many issues. So we want to try to prevent that from happening. And preventative maintenance is key. We actually have a video that I can link below that explains cost to own, which does include your radiator hoses, along with doing a cooling system service. The cooling system service, to make sure that your coolant pH and freeze protection are correct, are something that we suggest having done every 3 years or 30,000 miles. Some manufacturers actually suggest doing a cooling system service on your vehicle every 2 years or every 24,000 miles. So definitely ask your service advisor what's best for your vehicle. Here at Wayside Garage, we suggest having the inspection done on your vehicle at least every 6 months by a professional. And we are digital, so we provide pictures and or videos for you so that way you can see what we see. We also have a maintenance plan that we use as a guide for our clients, and that guide has been known to allow our customers to get to 250, 300,000 miles plus, which is very important because vehicles are expensive to replace. So if you are ready to have your vehicle inspected and or serviced, please give us a call at 831-899-2425, or you can schedule online at www.waysidegarage.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe to our video. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give us a comment with the question, and we'll do our best to get that answered for you. Thanks so much and have a great day.